Hello everyone, it's Justine. Oh boy. Now, as you can see, this card is almost finished and it is the beginning of the video. You might be thinking, what? I just clicked on this. I'm so sorry. I was so excited to make this little swinging adorable card and I forgot to hit record. I know. So now I checked it at this point and I saw it wasn't recording and I was so sad, but I had to just keep going. So I'm gonna have to say what I need to say rather fast, but I made this little Dancin Saint Nick, which is so adorable, from the Tinsel Time collection, and I made it basically like my dancing ghost and dancing mummy. So if you're interested in figuring out how do the legs move, go ahead and watch those videos and you can see how to make the swinging element. So I'm just going to add a little detail to my Santa face by giving him happy eyebrows and writing on his little list that he will check twice. So the background I used is the hypnotic background, and the die set that I used to make the Santa is Dancin Saint Nick. And this stamp set that I used to make the sentiment, I don't remember the name of it right this minute, but I will link it in the description, but it's just a Christmas die set. And I could not find the little circle that goes on my Santa's hat. It's just a white circle, but I chose to instead use the embellishments. Now, Spellbinders came out with new embellishments or new colors. So they're part of the Color Essentials collection. So the dark red ones are part of the smooth discs. So I used the Scarlet smooth discs, and then I used the Fashion taupe for the other little embellishments that I'm going to be adding here. And what I like about the Fashion taupe, those self-adhesive embellishments, is the self-adhesive. I like that they're already sticky and ready for me, and it just kind of makes crafting that much quicker. I'm also going to add just a little bit of foam dimension behind my Santa's list because I don't want it to fall off and I don't want it to get bent. I'm also going to add just a little bit of foam behind the gift. Like I said, I'm so sorry that I did not get the assembly of most of my card on camera, but I can't really do anything about it at this point, so that is life. Anyway, now that I've added all of my embellishments where I want them to be, I will just talk about the dies and what everything is, just in case someone doesn't know. So this is the head and the nose, so that makes Santa's face and nose. This die makes Santa's hat. This one makes the gift with the top and the bottom. This makes Santa's arms and mittens. This makes Santa's body. This makes his list and the top part that kind of is folding over. That makes the legs. This makes the beard and the fluffy part of his shirt and the fluffy part of his hat and sleeves. Then the last die at the top there makes his shoes, his belt buckle, and the belt. So there's a lot of little pieces, but as they come together, it makes a perfect little Dancin Saint Nick. So if you have liked this video, please let me know by hitting the like button, and let me know if you like swinging dies as well. Here's a look at that stamp that I used. I did just want to mention that I used a masking technique, which uses that the purple craft tape to cover up part of the stamp. So I just stamped a little bit of the sentiment, not the whole thing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!